Hi, Charlie. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Thank you so much for asking.
Yeah, of course.
All right, so today in our session, we're going to go through some questions, and I'm going to ask you some questions related to what you've been feeling, okay?
Okay.
All right, so these questions I'm going to ask you, I'm going to also ask you to answer based on a scale of 1 to 4. So to go over the scale, 0 is going to be not at all, 1 is going to be a little bit, 2 is going to be moderately, 3 is going to be quite a bit, and 4 is going to be extremely. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to read off the instructions to you, and then it's going to tell you to fill in the circles. But today I'm just going to have you tell me verbally since we're doing this over a telehealth session. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So below is a list of problems that people have in response to a very stressful experience. Keeping your worst event in mind, please read each problem carefully and then select one of the numbers to the right to indicate how much you've been bothered by that problem in the past week. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Have you thought of your worst event?
Got it.
Okay. So, in the past month, how much were you bothered by? The first question is repeated, disturbing, and unwanted memories of the stressful experience.
All the time. I would say extremely.
Okay, so a 4. The next question is repeated, disturbing dreams of the stressful experience.
Every night. I would say extremely.
Okay. Suddenly feeling or acting as if the stressful experience were actually happening again, as if you were actually back there reliving it.
A four.
Okay. Feeling very upset when something reminded you of the stressful experience.
Another four.
Okay. Having strong physical reactions when something reminded you of the stressful experience. For example, your heart pounding, trouble breathing, sweating.
Yes, I become very anxious when um, I'm reminded of it. I just feel like my body reacts sometimes, even before my mind does. So extremely.
Okay. Avoiding memories, thoughts, or feelings related to the stressful experience.
I would say, yeah, I try to avoid it all the time. So uh, all the time.
Okay, so 4 again for that one.
Yeah.
Okay. So, avoiding external reminders of the stressful experience. For example, people, places, conversations, activities, objects, or situations.
I feel like for that one, I try, but not everything is in my control, so I do get reminded of things. Um, so maybe moderately.
Okay, moderately. Trouble remembering important parts of the stressful experience.
Yes, I think now looking back, like I definitely don't have all of the details of it, so extremely.
Okay. Having strong negative beliefs about yourself, other people, or the world. For example, having thoughts such as, I am bad, there is something seriously wrong with me, no one can be trusted, and the world is completely dangerous.
Yes, I do think that have negative thoughts surrounding that all the time. So a four.
Okay. Blaming yourself or someone else for the stressful experience or what happened after it.
Unfortunately, yeah, I think so. A four.
Okay. Having strong negative feelings such as fear, horror, anger, guilt, or shame.
Yeah, I definitely have a lot of negative feelings, and I think that the anxiety is becoming more of fear and it's starting to affect me a lot. And I think a lot of those negative feelings stem from guilt. So a four.
Okay. A loss of interest in activities that you used to enjoy.
Yeah, four. I'm bored about things that I used to love doing. I don't find enjoyment about it. I want to lay in bed all day.
Okay. Feeling distant or cut off from other people?
I would say that's another 4.
Okay. Trouble experiencing positive feelings. For example, being unable to feel happiness or have loving feelings for people close to you.
I've been struggling a lot with that recently. I would say all the time.
Okay, so which number would you rate that one?
Extremely.
Okay. Irritable behavior, angry outbursts, or acting aggressively.
I mean, would a fight that I got into count recently?
Yeah, Charlie, that would count, I think.
Yeah, so probably extremely.
Okay. Taking too many risks or doing things that could cause you harm.
Yeah, when I think back about a party that I went to the other night, I definitely had behaviors that were pretty reckless. So 4.
Okay. Being super alert or watchful or on guard.
Yes, I feel like I'm always waiting for someone or something to sneak up on me, and I get nervous. So extremely.
Okay. Feeling jumpy or easily startled.
I think I had a situation last week that I got jumpy, but I feel sometimes not like I feel grounded sometimes. Like if I'm at my house, I don't feel as jumpy, so that's not extremely. So maybe moderate.
Okay. Moderately. Having difficulty concentrating.
100%. Yes.
Okay. So what number would you say that one is?
4.
4. Okay. And then this is the last one. So trouble falling asleep or staying asleep.
I would, yeah, every night. I have nightmares. I struggle with sleeping, so extremely.
Okay. So that's the end of the questions. I want to say thank you for honestly answering my questions. And this is going to be helpful for me because it's going to help me be able to gauge your diagnosis better and the symptoms that you're experiencing.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. So that's all for today, but we will talk more about this at our next session, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thanks, Charlie. See ya.
Bye.